Hi, everybody. It's Jen. Do I have a special treat for you tonight? I didn't think that it was going to be possible, but apparently Meghan McCain has finally accepted my invitation to come here and speak with us and let me interview her and ask her a couple of questions that I've been dying to know the answers to. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Hi, Meghan. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Now, the first question I want to ask you is, if you died and, obviously went to heaven, since you do claim to be a Christian, what would be the first thing that you would say to Jesus?
I'm like, kiss my fat ass.
I see. I see. Now, if you could choose one activity that you and Hillary Clinton could do together, what would you like that activity to be?
I'm like, kiss my fat ass.
I always suspected as much. Now, what would you say if the man of your dreams came up to you right now and proposed to you? What would you say?
I'm like, kiss my fat ass.
Yeah. I see a pattern in your answers here, Meghan, and I have to ask you, why the obsession with your rear end?
I think that the pork attached to it is awful.
Well, Meghan, it looks like at least we agree on something. I want to thank you for taking your time to come here and let me interview you, and I wish you well in the race to be prom queen of the GOP.
Well, if it was, if it was too hot in the kitchen, I'd get out.
Right. Once again, feel free to leave a comment, and remember, if you don't vote for me, I can hold a grudge for a very, very, very long time.